Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be installing a new windscreen on my Suzuki GS500. Let's get it. Alright guys, so here is the windscreen that we're going to be installing today. I've already partially put it together. This will come as two separate pieces. The main, what I'm going to call the main fairing, and the windshield itself come separate, and I already put those together for simplicity's sake. But we're going to be installing this in just a moment. I think this is going to look really cool. Stick around, find out. There's a better look of it on its own. Alright, the first thing we're going to have to do is remove the old windscreen. So let's get started. Luckily this looks like it's going to be pretty easy to remove. It looks like just two 14mm bolts. Now I can save these for later, if I ever need them again. Luckily the instructions are super clear. It's a universal kit, so I think it's meant for a variety of different bikes, so a universal kit would suggest. I think I'm going to go off the beaten path for this one. I'm going to do this the way I think it should be doing it. Let's see if I'm right. Hopefully you will fare better than I. Now, if I thought this through correctly, all I should have to do is loosen the two 13mm bolts on each side of my headlight and then slide the new fairing through. I don't think I want it down all the way. I think I'm going to have it just there and beyond. Let's try that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this front fairing install on my 2002 Suzuki GS500. If you want to see more of this bike and more of the project that I have in mind for it, please leave a like, please subscribe, share it with your friends. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.